Inmm is an innovative medical company established in 2013 and operating in the emergency and military medical sectors. One of the divisions of technology solutions that Inmm are able to provide is bio-isolation chambers, stretchers and vehicles. Our aim is to distribute solutions based on innovative technology which are strongly tested in the field. This is done by integrating the SAIBIO Kit on special off-road vehicles equipped with medical equipment to act as a resuscitation ambulance. The SAIBIO Kit integrated with the chambers creates a negative pressure in the ambulance, suitable for the isolation and transport of highly infectious patients. It increases safety of bio-containment through a series of sensors that measure, but are not limited to, negative pressure, CO2 levels, ventilation and filtered air, and alarm systems in the event of rising levels of the above. These parameters can always be monitored inside the ambulance when the SAIBIO Kit is in operation. SAIBIO with Maxi integrated also allows the tracking of vehicles and of the infectious patients on board displayed on a map. It is always possible to locate the vehicle in operation and know its state of efficiency for rapid deploy or redeploy.